Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on app tutorial. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to change the Netflix password. This is going to be a quick and easy video, so let's jump right into it. Head over to the app of Netflix, and then from the home screen, tap on your profile icon, which is on the top right. From your profile section, you just tap on your accounts. Inside of the accounts tab, you'll see all of your information of your Netflix account. You can just tap on the option which says change password. Once you're here, you'll have three boxes. In the first box, you type in your current password. Without your current password, you won't be able to create a new one. So if you don't remember your password, you can tap on forgot password and reset it. If you do remember it, type it in and then create a new password. Your password must be at least 6 characters long. Again, re-enter your password in the third box. If you want to sign out of all of the devices that you are logged on Netflix, then make sure you check this box. If you don't want that, you can uncheck it and then just tap on save. And there you go, as easy as that. Your password on Netflix will be successfully changed. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.